Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Samsung and opening settings. Once done, go straight to General Management or System. Names vary by model. Tap Language and Input because this is where regional preferences live. You will see languages at the top. Press it to view the list. If your desired language isn't listed, choose Add Language. Make sure to allow system prompts if requested, since changing language affects menus, keyboard, and some app labels, so proceed when you can read confirmations. Now add or select the language you want. Tap Add Language, then choose the language and the specific regional variant. This ensures correct date, number, and speech formats. Once added, either tap Set as Default or press the menu and move the language to the top. Samsung uses the top entry as the system language. Make sure to also open on-screen keyboard settings to enable matching input languages. Otherwise, you'll change display language, but keep the old keyboard layout. Finish by confirming the change and watching the interface update. Some apps update immediately, while others refresh after a restart. If parts of the UI still show the old language, restart the phone. That forces a full reload. If a specific app ignores the new language, open its settings and look for an in-app language option. Troubleshooting tip: if language options are missing, enable developer settings or check for a carrier/firmware lock before attempting a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.